Let's start today's video. For that, in the middle of the paper I'm going to draw plus sign. This area is going to be the head and this area is going to be for the body. So this is one I'm going to use for the head. So you can do ellipse shape or circle or rectangle or square, whatever shape you like. Today I'm going to do rectangle style. So here we can see kind of like a squarey shape. Same thing I will do here, all four sides. You can say 2 to 3 finger spacing from here to here. So if you are doing a little bit more here and there, that's totally fine. Mine, this area is little bit bigger than this one, so you can see this line is bigger than this one. Now from here I will start and I will turn this one and curve here. This is the plus sign. I'm going to do one sad face here and then one nose here and one line, two smileys, and it's going really down, so make sure there will be a little bit gap. So I will put everything a little bit up. So when you draw, just get a little bit idea and then start doing dark lines. So I will take this one or this one and I will make a little bit gap here. So I want eyes to be here, and instead of straight, if I will tilt a little bit, it will look more better. This one looks really long to me. So this line is touching this line over here. So you can start from here, kind of like a curvy, and you can connect as much as big body you want. And a little bit up from here, I will curve this one and I will curve this one too. So suppose this is my baseline, a little bit up. So I can pull this one a little bit more down so we can have a space over here. This way, and this one is touching here, so I will start from here. I'm thinking like this is the shape, and from here we can pull the tail part like two leaves. and then from here we can curve and we can go this basic shape over here. I will erase all guidelines. Start from this area, so I'm going to erase this one and kind of like I will start from this line and I will go here and turn this way. And this is going to be U, big U, like tiny U's here. So I can see this one is almost touching, not touching this one. Little bit gap will be here. And this one is also curvy here. Now we are going to fix this area. So let me erase this one. So we can do W, U, and this way. And here we can do skinny Y or V. From here we can turn this one like a little bit curvy and cute. From here we can go and curve this one. This is totally fine. And now we are going to erase these two parts over here and make them light. And now this one is coming a little bit down and kind of like a U. From here we can do long U here and then some U's here. So this will not go this direction, it will be in the middle. So here it looks a little bit odd to me, so instead of 2 I will just do 1. Now this line I will erase and I will make it more interesting there. So I will start from here like a smiley and then it will go Z. So alphabet is over here and super duper light. So I'm going to use pen or marker or anything, whatever Sharpie if you want to use, you can use it. So you can stop here, or if you want to do shading, I'm going to show something over here. So I will shade the whole area. And then I'm going to erase this one again. So I erase this part, so we are not going to shade here. We are going to shade under the head. And curve it from here. We are going to shade here too. This area is shaded. And this, from this one we are going to do kind of like a Mickey Mouse style. around the mouth. We can draw some circles over here, like a big one, and then tiny one on the side here, and medium style or tiny here or here, and three of them here, like not really circle, little bit wiggly circles we can say, and 1, 2, 3 here, and then we can use the tool to color them.